Hello my dear juniors, I am Shubhra Bhattacharya from Medical College Kolkata, and today is the first topic of the image series where I want to deal with the chapter number 2, the biological classification. Okay, so let's start with me the number 10 slide, where when you see this image, okay, please notice if this image come in your exam, first of all the red area is the eye spot. This is the nucleus and the area is the protoplasm, and there are two flagella. Okay, and this is actually the chlamydomonas. Now coming to the next picture, this picture is actually of the chlorella. And now coming to the most important feature of this year, the amoeba. Now coming to the important points of the amoeba, these projections is called the pseudopodia. This is the nucleus. Wait, I want to, and this is the contractile vacuole. You can clearly notice there is a cell membrane. This is the food vacuole and the rest part is called cytoplasm. Okay, so this is the amoeba. When you see these three pictures, the chlamydomonas, chlorella or amoeba, they are unicellular eukaryote organism, and we know the kingdom is the protista. And when the protista in your mind, then there is 4 points you have to remember, like cell wall may be present in case of some. The nuclear membrane is present. The body organization of this kingdom is cellular type of body organization. And the mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition is autotrophic. That means it is photosynthetic. And some are heterotrophic. Okay. Now coming to the slide number 9, where you can see clearly 4 bacterial image. First, the round, the spherical shape is coccus. Now there are 4 points very important for your exam, which is Diplococcus, then Streptococcus, Streptococcus and Sarsinia. Okay, the Diplococcus, when there are 2 spheres joined together. What is the Tetracoccus? The sphere is 4 or group of 4 coccus are joined together. Now coming to the Streptococcus, when many coccus arranged in a grape or branch of grapes. Okay. Now coming to the most important of this year is the Sarsinia, where there are 8 cells or 8 coccus arranged in a cuboid fashion. Okay, containing 8 cells, the cuboid fashion, and there are 8 cells present in this cuboid fashion arrangement. Coming to the next, where you can clearly notice there is a spore, and these are called bacilli, which are rod shapes. Coming to the spirilla, where there we can notice the flagella present, they are actually spiral shaped. Coming to the vibrio, you all know they actually coma shaped. Okay, there are 4 pictures. Coming to when you see this image, this is the most interesting image of NEET or AIIMS. When you can clearly notice this is a image of nostoc, a filamentous blue-green algae. Okay, you can find some heterocytes and a mucilaginous sheath. Okay, so it's from a colony composed of filaments of monoliform or beaded cell. Beaded cell. You can clearly notice the cells are beaded, and there is around is a mucilaginous sheath. Okay, and they are found in symbiotic association, and symbiotic association is occurs in between this blue-green algae with some angiosperms. Angiosperms like Guneira, some goenosperm like Cycas, gymnosperm like Cycas, some bryophytes like Anthrocereus. Okay. Now coming to the nostocs, where the photosynthetic pigments are present. Some of them are said the heterosized, but it is a wrong answer. You have to clearly identify that the thylakoids are the photosynthetic pigment content area of the blue-green algae, and this organism can fix atmosphere nitrogen in their body with a specialized cell is called heterocyte. Okay, heterocysts. So this heterocyst not for photosynthesis, it is actually for the nitrogen storage from the atmosphere. Now coming to the slide number 7, where you can see this is a clear image of binary fissions of a bacteria. There is the cell wall, there is the cell membrane. Okay, I will zoom it. The outer one is cell wall, the inner one is cell membrane, and this spiral thing is called DNA. It is the most common type of reproduction in case of prokaryotes. And the clearly notice there are 2 points. First of all, the genetic material and the size. They are usually equal in daughter cells. Okay, they are usually equals in case of daughter cells. So the daughter cells are genetically identical. The genetic material and the size are normally equal. Coming to the number 6. Number 6, this image is newly added in your NCERT textbook. This is the image of diatoms. Diatoms fall under the chrysophytes, and the chrysophytes found in fresh water and as well as marine waters. The diatoms, there are 2 overlapping cells present in their cell wall, okay, and they fit like a soap box, okay, and these walls are mainly deposition of silica, and this silica is indestructible by the environment. So when the diatoms died, they left the cell wall because the cell wall is indestructible, and these cell walls deposits in our environment over billion of years, and they forms the diatomeous earth, okay, and this soil is mainly used for polishing, some syrup, filtration of oils in this type of cases. And you have to notice the diatoms are the main or chief producers of the oceans. So there are most important image where I am dealing with, the most important image, VVIP image is diatom. Now coming to the slide number 5. There are 3 images. First image, you can clearly notice it is an image of Euglena, and Euglena there are 2 flagella, okay. The most important thing is there is not 1 flagella, there are 2 flagella, 2 flagella, and when there is light present it become photosynthetic, and when there is light absent it become heterotroph. So we can call it a mixotrophic organism. Now coming to this organism, this is actually the paramecium, and the paramecium is a ciliated organism, okay, and cytosome, cytopharynx, contractile vacuoles and food vacuoles are present in this organism, okay. Coming to the next specimen or next image, the image of trypanosoma. Trypanosoma is actually a flagellated protozoa, and this can cause sleeping sickness type of disease. So the sleeping sickness, flagellated protozoa, trypanosoma is most important. Coming to the slide number 4, where we can see some white rust disease. This can caused by fungi. This is actually a image of white rust disease, newly added image in your NCERT textbook, and this image is also newly added, and this is actually the lichen image, where the fungus and algae they are in a symbiotic association. Coming to the slide number 3, and where we deal with some funguses like mucor. What is the class? Zygomycetes. They form citric acid, and the common name is dung mold or pin mold. Coming to the next image, this is the Aspergillus. What is the class? The class is the Ascomycetes. and Aspergillus flavus is from a toxin. It's called alpha toxin. Now coming to the agaricus. The agaricus in class of Basidiomycetes, and there are some body parts of this. First of all, this umbrella shaped part, this is actually called pilus, the stalk or the style, and there are some rhizoforms. The underground portion, it's actually modified root. Okay, and there are some agaricus which forms in a ring. We call it fiery ring. Okay, coming to the slide number 2, where I am dealing with tobacco mosaic virus. This is the RNA part and this is the capsid part, and it is a ssRNA and non-enveloped. Okay, and this can affect tobacco and other plants of the Solanaceae family. During the infection, the mosaic ring molting and the discoloration of the leaves, this is the sign. The mosaic like molting is seen in the tobacco plant, and the discoloration of the leaves, these are the common sign when this is affected by tobacco mosaic virus. And this is the first discovered virus, and who discovered this? The Dmitry Ivanovsky. Okay, so these 3 points are most important. First of all, ssRNA and non-enveloped family is Solanaceae, and most common affected is tobacco. Next, during the infection, there is a mosaic like molting and the discoloration of the leaves are seen in the plant. And the first discovered virus is this, and discovered by Ivanovsky. Now coming to the last image of this series, of this video, is the bacteriophage. Like the most 4 important points. First of all, this is the dsRNA or double-stranded DNA virus. Double-stranded DNA virus, and it is also lac envelope. It can affect the bacteria, so it's called bacteriophage. It's affected by the help of the tail fibers. Okay, attached like a spike. Okay, and tail fiber when attached like a spike, the phage affect the host bacteria. Okay, only the contractile structure present in this virus is the tail sheath. Only the contractile structure is the tail sheath. And bacteriophage has 2 phases, one is lytic phase and one is lysogenic phase. So this is the sheath, this is the collar, this is the head, and they are the tail fibers. Okay, so a quick recap. Okay, first of all, we know Chlamydomonas, Chlorella, amoeba. They are in the kingdom Protista, and there is the 4 important points regarding the kingdom Protista. Coming to the next image, where we can see Coccus, the Bacilli, the Spirillum, and Vibrio. Next, this is the nostoc. The most important thing is the thylakoids and the heterocytes. Coming to the 7, this is the binary fission, where it is genetically identical and size is also same. Coming to the diatoms, this is the most important feature of this year. They fall under this group. They found in both fresh and marine waters. The cell wall is formed by silica and the indestructible, and the diatomous earth is present, and they are the chief producer of the oceans. Coming to the 5, there is the Euglena, Paramecium, and the Trypanosoma. The Euglena is a mixotropic. There are 2 flagella. In case of Paramecium, they are ciliated, and cystostome, cytophaidings, the contractile vacuole and food vacuole are present, and in case of Trypanosoma, the sleeping sickness is the most important disease. Coming to the number 4, there is a white rust, the fungi causes disease, and there is the lichen, where is the symbiotic association between fungus and algae. Coming to the mucor, who fall under the Zygomycetes, there is a dunk mold or pin mold is the common name, and actually mucor produce the citric acid. And there is the Aspergillus, which falls under the Actinomycetes, and the Aspergillus flavus mainly form a toxin. This toxin is called alpha toxin. And there is the Agaricus, the parts of the Agaricus and the fire ring are most important. Next image, what is the tobacco mosaic virus? Tobacco mosaic ssRNA and non-enveloped, they actually cause the diseases in the Solanaceae family or the tobacco, and the infection is caused when the infection is started. The mosaic ring molting and the discoloration of the leaves is the first time. This is the first discovered virus and discovered by Ivanovsky. Coming to the last image, the bacteriophage, where the envelope is lacking but the DNA is present, the tail sheath and the parts of the bacteriophage is very important, where there is a two type of phases, lighting and lysogenic phase are most important. And this is the about the first image series. Please give your valuable comment in the comment section. How was the series, where the improvement is needed and how you enjoy the video. Okay, hope all the best for your exam from PrevMed family. Please join with us for your better result. Thank you so much.